magical, isn't it? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So what a weird way to start a vlog. So I just whipped out my camera. I thought I'm just going to vlog with you guys. So I came to Wisley with my childhood friend, by the way. So I've got my friend here. She came to visit, so you're going to be seeing her later. Onome, do you want to come and say hello to my friends? Here we go. Can you believe it? Exactly. This is my childhood friend. So we are in Wisley, just walking about, touring everywhere. So I'll be showing you guys some short clips to see what music is. Wisley here is just magical this time. Can you see the, even at the background, you can see the beautiful flowers that are there.
Magical,
isn't it? She just came from Italy. By the way, she's Italian. She's Italian.
But this is beautiful.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. So, like with the people in England, there we twist our tongue. So stick here. See here, guys. Some of these plants are just wow. I don't even know how to explain it. They're just like so beautiful. They're so popping. Look at these roses. Oh, this is the color is so, the red is so deep, right? And the weather seems to be lovely. Oh, look at these ones here. You guys, look at those popping things. Oh, the color is just in, I don't even know where to look here. Everything is just like really nice. I think we're going to go to the cafe very soon because your girl, I'm starving. Absolutely starving. I need some food. I need some food in my life. I'm just in a rush because I'm trying to quickly get ready. We're going for a ball night party today. So yeah, 1 minute I was thinking probably I'm not going to be able to make this event because I'm not feeling 100%, but I feel it'll be better. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to quickly put my makeup on, do my hair, and we could go. So apparently we're running late because a friend of mine, she's already like on her way. So this friend of mine, she doesn't really drink alcohol, so she was meant to give us like a lift. So she said apparently the event start like in 7 o'clock. So I can't really make that. As you can see, I'm just putting on my makeup. So yeah, so that's a buggericious. I think when we were talking, I was thinking she said she's going to come 6:30, not 7:30. So that was a missed opportunity. But it's okay, I don't intend to even drink that much because I'm not 100%.
You messed up.
No, I honestly thought. Ready for the ball. Put on my makeup, neutral but really elegant. Loving the look. Oh my goodness, I haven't showed you like the outfit I'm putting on. Probably when we get there, I'll ask let me lower this, I don't want copyright. I'll ask my husband to kind of show my full look. Yeah, I'm popping. Definitely love the way I have worn this dress. Just so minimalistic but absolutely gorgeous. Guys, we just came back from the ball. So sorry I couldn't get a lot of photo, but I just really want to quickly show you the dress I was wearing. I really love this dress. Beautiful. The details of this dress is at the back. I don't know how to show you. Like literally is at the back. I've got a lot of compliments, like honestly, from this dress today. Loads of compliments. Like it was so beautiful, stunning. Love the way my mess. Mind the mess on my bed, like awful. But I had the most wonderful time today. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Is it? I didn't realize I have this dress in my wardrobe. When I saw it, then I thought this will do for the night out. It's honestly, and I have this scarf. I took this scarf with me just to kind of throw on. It's beautiful. It was a really, really lovely dress. Loads of compliments. People were like, oh my god, I love your dress. And the time at the moment is like 11:30, so your girl, I've got some sparkles on my face. Sorry, I don't know if you can see because I have a spotlight. Like, look, what is it? Like some sparkles on my face. That's so cool because the weather was so nice. And look at my blink, guys. Look at my blinking. Everything is blinking. At the moment, I'm just going to go have my cup of tea and honestly go to bed and sleep. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back. So just a quick update. You know, when I went to the ball, I couldn't really vlog that much, but it was absolutely beautiful. It was really nice. I'm just going to clean my lens today. It was really beautiful. It was really nice. We had the most wonderful fun in the ball. So today is Sunday and we're going to the school summer fair. I am absolutely tired. You can see the way I am speaking. I am completely bunked up. I've got a nasty cold going on and I am a bit tired because this weekend we've been so busy. All day yesterday we were at a friend garden party, so because I was so tired I couldn't even vlog at all, but it was so fun. So today we're going to the summer fair. I'm going to be showing you one or two things, so yeah, let's get cracking. I just got myself 2 coconuts. I love coconuts. I played the game and I can't believe I whacked the coconut twice. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 2. Yeah. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I just picked my kids from school. Honestly speaking, it's really hot today. I think it's like almost 30 degrees. So I brought them to this village. It's a cute village here. So we came here. This is a beautiful classic English village, and there's a lake. You can see some kids there playing in the lake. So we're going to take our ice cream and go and dock by the lake. I brought what's this called? You found the lake? Yeah. So I brought my little thingy to sit on. So it looks so fun. They will have a great fun. So I'll see what I'm going to have. I think they've got the caramel, salted caramel river. If they have pistachio, they have pistachio. I think I might have to go with pistachio. Do you know what you're having? They have a mango sorbet.
What else do
I don't know. They have vanilla. They have strawberry. You used to like strawberry. They have lemon sorbet.
coffee?
They have coffee. They have Gilles de lunch. Cookies and cream. This one sounds really nice. It sounds yummy. Yeah, you could have that.
Yes, sprinkles.
Pardon?
Would you like any sprinkles or topping?
Yes, please. Since everybody's having rainbow. Come, let's go find somewhere to sit. It's quite busy here, isn't it? Oh wow, look how busy. We could stay here. Should we stay here or should we see? Okay, we have that spot. Very busy.
You're going back today, huh?
Ooh.
Mommy said it's cold.
Diyan pala, Moldan.